Unboxing the new Mavic Air drone. As on the previous video, I explained how we ended in the water with it. We bought that first one from Leaderville Cameras in Perth. This one's come from Toby's Deals because it had a good special going on with the next one. So we'll get it unboxed and go through all the procedure and get it charged up. But like I say, if you're only a novice flyer, don't fly over water until such time as you really know what you're doing, because they're a beautiful little machine. And my last one, she's dead. So it's a new one. We'll get it all set up and get going. We'll get some footage on it today with the boys. I won't run through how to do it all. There's a million videos out there that already tell you how to operate these things. But yeah, just as a novice, learn how to fly it first, because the drone becomes awfully expensive when you have to buy two of them. Okay, we'll get set up. Jardy and I'll get this one all charged up and all booted up, get all the new upgrades done to it, and we'll take her out and give her a fly. Thank you.